Okay, so we've got Xenon 3. This version, I believe, is 3.1. So if you go to say it says Diggz Xenon 3, click on that. All right, it shows you what's. Oh, I guess that shows you it. So it's basically just like the other one, the 4K one. We can download Diggs's 4K wallpapers, which has got a mixture of 1080p or 1080 and 4K pictures wallpapers. It's pretty straightforward. You just click on it. Which one do I want to try out? Words. All right, let's click on words. All right, let's do hello. Click on that. It'll give you a choice of the two. I mean, if you've got a 4K TV or not, it doesn't matter. You can still, your TV will just downgrade to 1080 if you don't have a 4K TV, but I do. So I think that's done. I'll just go back. Hopefully it might show up on this page. I'm not too sure. But if we go across,